To obtain a new Navy Federal debit card, you can use the mobile app by downloading it from the App Store on your mobile device and signing in with your details. From the home page, select the checking account you wish to use. Then click Manage Card and Order Debit Card. Choose between replacing an existing card or ordering an additional one, and allow some time for your request to be processed. Once approved, you will receive your card via mail. Upon receiving it, navigate to Manage Card and click Activate Card. Following the on-screen prompts to activate and start using your card. Alternatively, you can visit a Navy Federal branch near you. Request a debit card at the customer service desk. Provide the required information, and wait for your request to be processed. If approved, you will be issued an activated debit card that you can start using immediately. You can also obtain a debit card by calling the customer service number, following the automated prompts, and speaking to a customer service agent to express your request and provide the necessary information. Once your request is approved, you will receive your card via mail, and you will not incur any charges for it. By following these steps, you can easily get a Navy Federal debit card.